Aloha everybody. Now this is the second of two videos so far. As you can see, we got the form almost more than halfway done. These are just 2x4 sitting on the bottom edge of the form. There's going to be a concrete pour done tomorrow, July 1st. Somewhere around 10 in the morning here in at this particular house in Kona on the island of Hawaii, Big Island. And gotta make sure I don't fall right away. Check it out. Let me turn it the other way. A whole bunch of welds had to be done right here, all in this area, up against the existing beam going across. This column right here, joining on this existing beam, they'll weld it right there. There's a lot of weld. Anyway, when we finish putting this side of the forms on, right, we're going to cover this whole side. Tomorrow morning we're going to fill it. This whole inside is going to be filled with concrete up to the top, right about this line where my finger is. And the rest will be filled up later on, from about here to here. Not bad, pretty good work. We're right now at the beginning of our third week of doing this job. Here's the neighbor's house. Yep. Neighbors. Beautiful Kona on the Big Island. And here's the ocean. We're on Ali'i Drive. That's the name of the street that this house is located. This entire house is, as you can see, is made out of steel as far as the foundation is concerned. As you can see, I'm walking right on it, toward it. I don't know if the sun is affected it, but as you can see, the bottom of the house, there's the top section. A little bit too much light. Anyway, that's the top of the house, and the foundation of the house is made out of steel. And then, as you can see, columns like this used to be concrete column or steel columns that you see, that you had just seen in the inside of this form of wood. And then it eventually got filled up, and then you got a whole bunch of columns like this with actually I-beams that are actually encased in cement. Very expensive house. So I'm in the bottom section of it. Later on I'll go to the top, film from the top down. A little bit too much sun or overexposure. Let me see if I can get out of it. Well, maybe not. There it is. It's a little tap on the window did it. And let me check that out again. You didn't find them. I didn't find your knife. Shit. There's Nate right there drinking his drink. And that's about it.